Hello, in this video I'm going to show you perhaps the easiest way to make a little screencast, which would just be to use Google Meet. So you can just go ahead and join or start a meeting, and you don't need to enter a nickname or anything. You can just press continue. For this one, I'm going to not be using my camera. I'm going to join. I'm really just going to be doing a screen share here. So I would press present now. Either choose a window or your entire screen, whatever you want. Then queue up whatever you are presenting for the day. And once you've got everything ready, go ahead and record the meeting. I know this is very fancy. So then you can just be recording the meeting, do your thing, present and talk and all that good stuff. And when you are all done with your screencast, you would go back. You would stop your recording, and boom, there you go. Your recording will be saved to Google Drive, just like you would record any lesson. So that is a very quick and easy way to create a screencast if you are already using Google Meet. All right, that's it for now. Bye.